My name's Santiago Perez, and I'm a first-time homeowner. We moved into our home 6 years ago in Jamaica Plain. It's a 3-unit condo, and the building is over 100 years old, so there were certainly some improvements that we were looking to make. So through the Mass Save program, we learned about smart thermostats, and we were able to get one very affordably. It was only $15 through the Mass Save program. And so we installed it, and what it does is it helps us to make better use of our heating and cooling. So when we're asleep, it turns the heating down slightly in the winter, which helps us to sleep more comfortably and to not use as much energy when we're not noticing it. And it also turns it down if everybody has left the home, which again prevents us from wasting money and power on heating an empty home. And so it's been a big savings for us.